Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that can give you the best Wi-Fi coverage? Then this video is made for you. In this video, we will go through the Linksys RE7310 Wi-Fi range extender setup in a very simple and easy way. The Linksys RE7310 Wi-Fi extender provides coverage of up to 2,000 square feet, helping to eliminate dead zones and extend your Wi-Fi signal to hard-to-reach areas. So without wasting time, let's start the setup video. Firstly, find a power outlet near your router and plug in the Linksys RE7310 extender. Wait for the LED to turn solid orange. This may take up to a minute. On your computer or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for the network named Linksys Extender Setup, XXX, and connect to it. No password is needed for this network. Now open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. In the address bar, enter http://extender.linksys.com or 192.168.1.1. Enter your login details. The Linksys setup page should appear. Click Start Setup. Now select Range Extender Mode, Default. And then click Next. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. You may need to connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks separately. The extender will ask if you want to use the same Wi-Fi name or create a new one. Option 1, use the same SSID, recommended for seamless roaming. Option 2, create a different SSID, e.g., mywifi_ext. Click Next. A summary page will show your network settings. Click Finish and wait for the extender to apply the settings. Once setup is complete, the LED should turn solid green. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.